Welcome to a challenge or chance to change your life. Hi. Look deep into my eyes. Keep looking without blinking. Be so focused that you have never been so. Your eyes may get heavy. It's okay, keep focusing. And you may even feel your breath is becoming so slow, smooth, and deep. Doesn't matter. Just keep focusing. While listening to my voice, you may feel like closing your eyes, yet keep looking. Focus, concentrate, and listen to my voice, and have no other choice. Imagine, what if you can unleash the power within? Or you want to keep blaming people, situation, and yourself? Do you want to take charge of yourself or want to keep feeling guilty about the past or feel anxious about the future? The most common quality of all successful people is they understood the fact that you need to take action to train yourself with a skill with which you can empower yourself to influence and persuade others. Keep focusing to my voice that can change your life while you may. Close your eyes now and listen carefully. I am presenting you with one such golden opportunity that many are using knowingly and unknowingly. Hi, my name is Magic Leo. I am an international hypnosis mentor. Welcome to the world of mesmerizing possibilities. You will be able to unleash the power within you. You will be able to know your uniqueness. You will be to empower yourself to influence and persuade others. To make them agree with what you say and take action at the best you suggest. No more blaming game. It's time to act and achieve. Join my 2 days eye gaze hypnosis workshop to start a new journey. To a world of immense possibilities, power and bliss. A nectar of my 35 years of research on hypnosis and life. You want to take charge? Then take action. Open your eyes if it is closed and click the link for complete details and enroll for the life-changing workshop. You will be different and your life will be different hereafter. Follow me for inputs on hypnosis and life. Click the link now.